How to open account on USAA Bank. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open account on USAA Bank. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for USAA account and tap on the very first option you see there. You will then see the option for Join Now. Tap on that and further tap on the Get Started button. You will now be asked a few questions before signing up. So go ahead and answer the questions asked to you based on your experience and relevance. You will be asked questions such as, have you served in the Army Force? Has a relative of yours served in the US Armed Forces? Or has a relative of yours ever signed up for USAA? After answering these questions, fill up the registration form next. Start by entering your first name, last name, date of birth, country of citizenship, social security number, email address, country code, and phone number. Once entered, tap on the Continue button and further follow the on-screen prompts to finish the registration process, and with this, the account will be created. So, this is how you can open account on USAA Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.